Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Five magical benefits of using coconut oil for your baby. Babies are so tender that making any choice for them is not an easy task at all. It is even more difficult for parents to choose baby products. Natural products would be gentle for your little angel, besides being cost-effective. Coconut oil is one such beneficial natural product. The all-natural healer is so powerful that it is good to treat almost anything. Why not take the advantage of its magic? If you would like to know how you can use it for your little angel, you should consider watching this video at Natural Remedies. Benefits of coconut oil for babies. Dry scalp. Dry scalp is a condition that affects many newborns during early weeks after birth. The condition is characterized by a flaky scalp and seems like your little one has dandruff. Coconut oil can work wonders in this situation. Massage some coconut oil on your baby's scalp, in particular on the area that is affected by dry scalp. Eczema. Eczema is a condition where the skin becomes very dry and, as a result, there could be itching too. Eczema is common in babies, as their skin is quite sensitive and can dry out quickly. Use coconut oil, which is a good hydrating agent, can give some relief to your little one. Massage your baby with coconut oil before or after bath time and once at bedtime to provide adequate moisture and hydration to the skin. Diaper rash. Diaper rash can affect babies due to diapers, obviously, or frequent urination. Almost all the babies suffer from diaper rash at some point in their lives, even after taking every possible precaution. Unlike nappy rash creams, coconut oil does not ruin cloth nappies. Apply a layer of coconut oil on your baby's diaper area after bath time each day and frequently after alternate diaper change. Insect bites. Your baby is more prone to insect bites than you, as he may not be able to fend off those bites. Also, babies have sensitive skin, and the area can soon turn red and result in swelling. And the added concern, the chance of it turning into an infection. Turn to coconut oil for rescue. It has natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. If you use it for treating your baby's insect bites, it will reduce the risk of an infection and will also help in bringing down the swelling. Baby acne. It is possible to see acne marks on your baby's skin. As babies have sensitive skin, they can easily suffer breakouts that can cause red marks on the skin that may be swollen or itchy. Use coconut oil to ease the situation. Teething pain. The phase your baby goes through during teething can be full of pain that can cause your baby to be irritable and may also interrupt with regular feeding routine. Your baby can start the teething phase as early as 4 months. Coconut oil has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe inflammation that is often caused as part of teething and causes pain and discomfort to your baby.